Howdy friends and family. I went to go edit some video of the last inspection we did and it messed up. Something happened to where 5 of the videos that I took are not, I guess, loading on DaVinci Resolve, and it won't even play on the computer. But what happened with that inspection is we went out there with all intentions of going through a Duna and see how she was doing. And we did that, and we decided to pull a frame out of Sophia that had a full cap brood and put it inside a Duna. So we went ahead and we did our inspection on a Duna. A lot of the footage is lost in this whole thing, so I'm just going to give a quick explanation what you'll see. So we went ahead and found a frame in Sophia, shook all the bees off, and put it inside a Duna's colony to kind of boost their population, hopefully get them going a little better, because for some reason the Duna just fell behind and it seemed like they were possibly nectar bound. So we went ahead and we're definitely not feeding them. We're going to make sure that they use their stores and what have you, and hopefully finish building out that second box. If they don't get that built out, I don't think they'll make it this winter. We also ran into something a little scary inside Sophia that I was not expecting at all. You'll see in this upcoming footage.
Okay, so it's like, I know we put on that second deep, but they're still not drawing out these outside frames, which is okay. It actually allows for a little bit more airflow. Yeah, see, this isn't drawn out yet, but
that side is.
And this is all food stores, so that could be one.
That's a possibility for one that we swap.
Out with Sophia.
Especially since it's all food stores, then empty on the other side. That'll give Sophia more places to build, I guess, even though she's already working on supers. Or a super currently.
Alright. Let's see here.
There's a Duna.
Hey, lady.
Right here, bring her up to the camera.
Look at this beauty. I've always loved the dark color of her.
She's right here. She's doing good. She's alive.
Grown since the last time I saw her.
She looks a little bigger.
Yeah, lady. She's definitely laying in here. I see a lot of newly laid eggs.
Wonderful.
Gorgeous. Same on the other side.
We got a lot of orientation flights out of Rose right now.
Good. We were worried about her for a little bit, so that's awesome.
Okay.
Oh, look at that beautiful dark red pollen that's in there, in between some of the capped brood.
I have to come up closer to the
That
camera.
would probably be some henbit.
Yeah, could be.
Because they have that really beautiful dark, like red.
Almost a
red.
Yeah.
See, there's
a lot of it
too. There's a lot of good brood, everything in between.
One thing we noticed on Dorothy is she actually had a full frame of pollen and bee bread going on.
Yeah, Dorothy's doing really good on her food stores.
And Rose actually got a little more feisty with her finally good sized number, since she's big enough now to have a super.
I should be using my hive tool for this.
Yep.
She says that she continues to do what she's doing. Okay, so this is one of the mediums. What do you think? Should we start moving this one?
You're dripping all over everybody.
They'll be alright. They can clean it up. Lots of bee bread.
I mean, we can maybe move that one to the outside so we can start eventually getting rid of it.
Okay, let's do that. Go ahead and slide this.
Yep, we'll slide these two over.
Towards the middle. Stick this one on the outside. Start to phase it out more.
Yep, and then the other one will stick on the other outside.
I might have just rolled a couple.
Because otherwise they like to bridge the comb between those two.
Okay. This is
lots of bee bread.
lots of bee bread, some good brood.
See some wet cells shining.
Yep, same on this side.
Okay.
Okay, so they've got some pretty decent food stores going right in the middle.
I still think that we will add some numbers to her
Yeah.
if Sophia is good. If she's got good numbers, we'll do that. I'm guessing we're gonna have a lot of food on this outside one here. Just more white, not yellow. Seems like when the comb is more yellow / darker, there's more brood involved.
Just opened up a little honey. They'll fix it. Okay, this is that other medium. Stuck
Heavy,
at the
huh?
bottom.
Oh yeah, rip some comb. Rip some comb. We need to take that off. It's just gonna
Oopsies.
damage it.
Hurry.
We'll get over here.
Sorry. And that's the risk we took when we added a medium to a deep box right at the beginning.
I'm gonna go ahead and scooch them over.
But it was our best option at the time.
There we go.
I'm just looking. That one, I'm gonna take that off. This one right here is kind of interesting. I'm gonna take that off. Okay, I'm gonna stick it back in. Keep it on the outside here. Okay, so start sliding these back in place.
All right, so we're gonna get this one closed up. I think we found the frame we're gonna swap out if we need to. And we'll be right back once we get into Sophia. Kind of want to just pop some of these frames out of the super real quick, see what's happening. See if we got anything capped yet. Because if these frames are getting there, then it might be time to put another super on them too. All wet. All wet. Heavy, wet, wet. She might get another super on her, just like we did with Blanche. All right, now let's get going on this first brood chamber, see if we can't find our frame of brood that we want. It's not gonna be this one. It's pretty wet. Some bee bread going on. Some brood.
Wait. What's up?
Ooh. I'm gonna get rid of that. I don't like that. That's a cup.
There was something in it. Right there.
I don't like that at all. We don't want these girls swarming. So for now, we got rid of that. See if we find any more. Is that on the outside of my veil? Yes, it is. Oh, geez.
Oh my god, I don't know. I don't see what you're seeing.
It's a good frame there. I mean, our queenie's got to be in here, all them single eggs.
Have you seen her?
Not yet. Get rid of that.
We do not want these girls to swarm. If they do, I mean, it's probably not the end of the world, but...
Means I need to build some boxes. Maybe we need a splitter.
Alright.
good thing I got the next few days off.
Yeah.
All right, you probably just saw it. There was some capped queen cells, like swarm cells. Do not like that at all. What I ended up doing today, it's July 4th, by the way. Happy Independence Day, America. But hope everyone's having a good time and staying safe. But because of those swarm cells, I do a little something over here to prepare for tomorrow morning. We removed all the swarm cells we could find because they were all capped and we didn't want to have the colony swarming on us. So we're going to try in the morning to possibly go ahead and split Sophia. Hopefully split her. She's the hardest queen to find. I'm going to try to get a better blue dot on her, I guess, in the morning, and we'll see what happens. Sorry guys for all the video that was missing. We did get, like I said, we got that frame of brood put in. If you watched this and you still enjoyed it and stuck around like great people you are, please give me a like and subscribe and comment down below any thoughts. And I hope you're doing well whenever you are, wherever you are. Keep praying for my family. I'll pray for yours. And we'll catch y'all later. Bye.